Don Magruder with RoMac Building Supply, and today doing our training is Chris Birchfield. He's with Global Fireproof Solutions. They're actually a Lake County company down here in Groveland, just like RoMac. We've been here since 1946. I know you guys have been here a long time, and you guys specialize in fireproofing, various products, lumber and building materials, and that's a big deal now with the new codes. Tell us about what do you do in Groveland?
Well, in Groveland, we actually have a factory there where we have lumber companies ship us all kinds of lumber, everything from plywood to lumber to LVLs, glue lambs, OSB, even tiki thatch and doors. Yeah. And we have a lot of unique chemical technologies that allow us to fireproof these products, and unique applications that also fireproof these products. So in that being said, we work with the latest technologies, latest chemicals, and we're able to solve a lot of problems, not only from factory applications, but also solving probably in field applications.
And that's the thing people don't, used to be people didn't understand where fireproofing was required. They generally thought it was commercial. Now fireproofing is required in residential, especially on zero lot lines. You've got to do stuff along the soffits between garage and house. And there's a lot of people, because of the fire threat, they really like fireproofing things. Talk about some of the applications where you're seeing the products being used.
It's really stepped up the code right now, especially multifamily. Multifamily is a big one. And in that sense, we've got a lot of exterior walls now that are exactly rated wall assemblies. And in doing so, all those wall assemblies have to be basically fire retardant treated wood. And in that case, a lot of times there's a lot of wood like EWP and stuff like that that can't be pressure impregnated, so this got to be done another way, which is what we do. That being said, we're able to go in and solve a lot of these problems. Now think about an existing building, okay? It's made of wood and you're gonna rehab it. Well, it's gotta be brought up to today's code.
Right.
How do you get existing wood to meet the same code requirements? This is where we come in. So we have certified field technicians that come in and spray out those things, especially like you're talking about, a lot of zero lot lines. We can come in and spray out all the soffits, attic areas and things like that to bring them up to code. So a lot of unique solutions.
And a lot of people don't understand the EWP. EWP is the new technology in wood where it's driver fan strand wood used for support, laminated beams, support posts, and those add the support to carry the loads of the building. So it's real important that before conventional treating don't work on those things.
That's correct. So that's where we come into play. And what we came into this market to do was basically what hadn't been done before. And in doing so, we're able to bring a lot of new technologies to the marketplace. In doing so, that we also educate. And this is one of the things we do enjoy doing because we work with this every day. And in working with it every day, we're able to run across things that work and don't work. And we share that knowledge.
Chris, tell us a little bit about your company here in Lake County, because since this is going to be seen in Lake County, a lot of people don't know you exist, but you ship products across the South, I know.
Right. We started out in this business around 2005, and in doing so, we basically grew our facilities and doing these special treatments. And what we got accustomed to was basically going out and solving a lot of problems in the field. But then we had a lot of clients say, well, what if we ship lumber and things to you for you to treat? It's like, yeah, absolutely, we can do that. And in doing so, we not only got into just the wood side, we also fireproof steel. We do applications on fabrics. We do applications on plastics. So we get a lot of visibility to a lot of diverse chemicals. We don't sell the products. We just do these certified applications. Therefore, we work with the top chemical companies, so we're not brand specific. If you ask me what product works best, I can tell you what products work best on things. Yes. I'm not going to try to push a product. So when we work with all these diverse products, we get the opportunity to see what really works and what doesn't work, and we pass that information along.
Well, Chris, thank you for doing the training today. We're going to have a great crowd here today. Most importantly, if you're interested in fire-treated materials, RoMac Building Supply through our good friends at Global, which are located here in Lake County, we offer a full line of fire-treating products. And contact your local sales representative for more information. Thank you, Chris, for being here today.
From foundation to rooftop, RoMac's got you covered.